Hey, this is Module 11 for Contemporary Programming. I wanted to do this intro video this week to kind of explain to you what you're going to be seeing in the lectures. I decided not to record a lecture video this week. Instead, what I've done is I've found a playlist that covers the same topics, which is threading inside of .NET and C#, so talking about multi-threading your applications and creating multiple threads to perform tasks. Instead of me recording it myself, I actually found a set of videos that covers the content rather thoroughly. And the reason I did this is that I want to start to allow you to experience instruction and learning about the mechanics of a new concept via someone else's voice and someone else's delivery. Obviously, you're not going to be learning everything that you have to learn from technology from me, from myself. So instead, what I'm wanting to do is start to give you that exposure to a different people's instruction and then having you work to learn how can I apply this to my application. Now, the threading piece is not directly applicable to your final project. There's pieces of it that will probably be very interesting for you to learn and grasp and understand. These are more API specific, but I at least want you to start to have that exposure to other people teaching you content or looking at it in different mediums, whether it be video or reading a tutorial, or even following some sort of SlideShare presentation that may have come from someone third party. This is honestly very common in helping continue your own professional development and your own growth, is that you'll be looking for resources probably on the internet or in books, or going to conferences. So going through this exercise of learning, at least having an introduction to the concept of learning from someone else, is very important. It's something that you have to become familiar with. Now, as a student, you obviously go into classes and you start to learn content from different professors, but you get comfortable and familiar with those professors over time. You'll find that with content that you find online and a lot of the professional development opportunities that exist online, you're looking at a number of different presenters. Some are great presenters, some are so-so presenters, and it's important for you to at least become comfortable with looking at good content and becoming familiar with how to evaluate that good content and take something from that instruction. At the same time, you're going to have to learn that not every presentation that's out on the internet is a good one. And that's an important piece that you need to learn as well. So I'm trying to provide you with those opportunities to say, okay, I need to be able to learn content outside of the realm of the classroom, and how do I do that so that I can further my own knowledge and my own growth. So this is a good exercise in that. We'll be covering .NET threading or multi-threading applications in this particular lecture set. So hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you have questions, just hit me up on Slack.